As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, innovative gadgets are shaping the future of industries, healthcare, education, and even our everyday lives. Welcome to Giganova Tech, your go-to channel for the latest innovations, cutting-edge gadgets, and tech breakthroughs shaping the future. Let's dive into today's exciting topic. These futuristic devices promise to revolutionize the way we interact with the world, solve problems, and push the boundaries of human potential. Here are 10 gadgets that could change the world in profound ways. Number 10. Brain-computer interfaces, also known as BCI. So, what is it? Brain-computer interfaces, often known as BCIs, are devices that enable direct connection between the human brain and computers and other electronic equipment. Brain-computer interface, BCI, technologies are currently being developed by companies such as Neuralink. These technologies have the capability to convert brain impulses into commands, enabling users to operate machinery, computers, or even prosthetic limbs using only their thoughts. Influence. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by restoring the capacity to move for patients who are paralyzed, enabling communication for individuals who have speech difficulties, and offering the possibility of improving human cognitive capacities. Beyond the realm of medical, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, have the potential to facilitate seamless interactions with technology, thereby introducing novel approaches to learning, gaming, and the management of smart homes. Number 9. Quantum computers. So, what is it? Quantum computers are able to process information at speeds that are exponentially faster than those of ordinary computers because they are based on the laws of quantum physics. Quantum computers, in contrast to classical computers, which utilize bits as the smallest unit of data, use qubits, which are capable of being in several states concurrently during the computation process. Influence. Cracking encryption, modeling molecular structures for medication development, and simulating quantum physics for new energy sources are all examples of complex problems that could be solved by quantum computing. For example, quantum computing could address these challenges, which are currently impossible for classical computers to accomplish. This groundbreaking technology will have a profound impact on a variety of industries, including the world of finance, pharmaceuticals, and materials science. Number 8. Smart contact lenses. So, what is it? Information can be shown directly onto the lens of smart contact lenses, which are a type of wearable technology that belongs to the next generation. Users will be able to view digital overlays of information without the need for a screen thanks to the development of lenses that feature augmented reality (AR) displays. These lenses are being developed by companies such as Mojo Vision. Influence. Smart contact lenses have the potential to improve day-to-day activities by delivering real-time information, such as navigation, translations, and health monitoring, directly into the field of vision of the user. Within the realm of healthcare, these lenses have the potential to monitor blood sugar levels, eye diseases, and other biometrics, so enhancing the management of personal health. Number 7. 3D bioprinting. So, what is it? The creation of human organs and tissues with the use of specialized 3D printers that layer living cells is achieved through the process of 3D bioprinting. With the rapid development of this technology, it may soon be possible to print organs such as kidneys, livers, or hearts for transplantation, thereby resolving the crisis of organ shortage that is occurring all over the world. Influence. Through the elimination of the need for donor organs, the reduction of transplant waiting periods, and the facilitation of personalized treatment, bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize the medical field. It is also possible that this breakthrough will lead to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine, which is a form of medicine in which damaged organs or tissues are rebuilt using the cells of the patient themselves. Number 6. AI-powered personal assistants. So, what is it? Personalized assistants that are powered by artificial intelligence, such as the next generation of virtual assistants that go beyond Siri and Alexa, will become significantly more intelligent. As a result of their seamless integration into every facet of your life, these assistants will be able to anticipate your needs, learn from your routines, and suggest answers to difficult jobs. Influence. Artificial intelligence assistants may handle anything from organizing your day to maximizing the efficiency with which your home uses energy. They might even take over mundane duties such as ordering groceries or managing your money. Furthermore, as these systems continue to develop, they have the potential to become useful tools in domains such as education and healthcare, where they may offer individualized counseling and assistance. Mid-video break. As we explore these incredible innovations, it's a great time to take a short break. But before we do, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's dive back into the future. Number 5. Self-healing materials. So, what is it? Materials that are capable of spontaneously repairing themselves after being damaged are referred to as self-healing materials. In a manner analogous to the way in which biological beings mend wounds, researchers are working to build materials, ranging from concrete to polymers, that are capable of regenerating after being cracked or fractured. Influence. The use of self-healing concrete in the construction industry has the potential to increase the lifespan of structures such as roads, bridges, and buildings, thereby lowering the need for maintenance and saving billions of dollars in infrastructure expenses. Materials with the ability to heal themselves could be used in the electronics, textiles, and aviation industries to create products that are safer and more lasting, as well as contribute to a more sustainable future. Number 4. Nanobots in medicine. So, what is it? Nanobots are extremely small robots that are capable of carrying out activities on a microscopic scale. They are typically no more than a few nanometers in size. Nanobots are now being developed in the realm of medicine with the intention of delivering medications, repairing tissues, and even directly combating cancer cells through their ability to travel through the circulation. Influence. Through the provision of tailored medicine delivery that reduces the likelihood of adverse effects, the performance of minimally invasive procedures, and the potential elimination of diseases such as cancer at the cellular level, nanobots have the potential to revolutionize the present disease treatment system. Using this technology could result in lives that are longer and healthier, as well as a complete shift in the way we approach medical treatment. Number 3. Flying cars. So, what is it? It has been a staple of science fiction for a long time, but flying automobiles are finally on the horizon. The development of personal aerial vehicles that are capable of operating both on roads and in the skies is being undertaken by a number of firms, including Terrafugia and Aeromobile, in order to provide a new method of transportation service. Influence. Flying cars have the potential to significantly cut travel times, alleviate traffic congestion, and revolutionize urban design by making commutes more efficient. It is also possible that flying automobiles may improve access to distant places, which would have a transformative effect on businesses such as emergency services, tourism, and logistics if the necessary infrastructure were in place. Number 2. Holographic displays. Number 2. Holographic displays. So, what is it? Holographic displays make it possible to create three-dimensional images in the air without the need for glasses or headsets. Holographic displays are becoming increasingly popular. Recent developments in holography are resulting in displays that have the potential to revolutionize the way in which we engage with digital content, whether it be for the sake of education, business, or entertainment. Influence. Holographic displays have the potential to succeed conventional screens by providing immersive experiences for a variety of applications, including gaming, virtual meetings, and education. Consider the possibility of medical professionals performing operations on patients using real-time 3D holograms, or of students studying through the use of interactive holographic teachings. A huge revolution would also take place in the entertainment business as a result of the introduction of holographic concerts, sporting events, and movies. Number 1. Hyperloop transportation. So, what is it? The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that has been suggested by firms such as Virgin Hyperloop. This concept calls for passenger pods to move through low-pressure tubes at speeds that are greater than 700 miles per hour, 1,200 kilometers per hour. The trip times between major cities could be greatly reduced with the help of this futuristic mode of transportation. Influence. Hyperloop has the potential to revolutionize public transportation by significantly lowering travel times and increasing the degree to which cities are connected to one another. It would also be a more environmentally friendly alternative to the means of transportation that are now in use, with lower levels of carbon emissions. The Hyperloop has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of distance and accessibility by reducing the amount of time it takes to commute between places such as Los Angeles and San Francisco to less than 30 minutes. Final thoughts. The 10 futuristic devices that are presented here are at the forefront of technological progress. Each of these devices has the potential to revolutionize many industries and to reimagine our own everyday lives. These technologies hold the key to a more advanced, efficient, and connected future. They hold the potential to revolutionize everything from the way we travel and communicate to the advancements that have been made in healthcare and sustainability. These devices, as they continue to advance, have the ability to provide solutions to some of the most important challenges facing the globe and to pave the way for new opportunities for human potential. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Giganova Tech. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs and innovations. See you in the next video.